Hey guys, we are back with another video. We bought another piece of equipment. This time it is a laser engraver purchased from Bescutter. I like purchasing stuff from them. The purchase process is very simple. I emailed them on Sunday and I said, hey, I want this machine with all the accessories, and by Monday I had a price on it. Ordered it, and the following Tuesday it arrived. Very fast shipping. This one was stocked in the US. If it says stocked in the US, it's here in South Florida. I'm in Central Florida, so it was a very fast truck ride over, and I paid with check. So if you paid with credit card, you might even get it a little bit faster. This machine is the 50-watt marking head. I bought all the accessories pretty much they had available. I got the larger, I think it's the R80 rotary head, the special jewelry attachment, which I have no idea what it is. We get to find out together. And it came with the 150 marking area lens, and we also added the 175 and the 300 square area lens, because we're not sure which one's going to work perfectly, but we want to be able to maximize our working area while maintaining good definition. So we just bought all of them. Now, we did receive a little discount on this to make the video, so thanks Bescutter for supporting the channel. And we're going to be doing a unboxing, so obviously I have the crate here. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so it's held together with Phillips screws in the top. Let me see if I can work this out carefully without damaging anything. Alright, so here's the rotary attachment. I think this is the R80 attachment. Is that? Yeah, I think that's the R80 attachment. So this is the little rotary. I've seen these in a lot of videos. It's pre-wired with a 4-prong plug. So, not 100% sure how that works, but we're just going to go ahead and set this aside.
Does anything look like it's going to fall over?
No, this feels shrink wrapped. All right, let's go ahead and take the sides. Go. All right, so the machine appears to be bolt on right here, so we're going to loosen these up before we remove the foam, and that way we can pick the head right up and place it without having to move all this foam all at once.
Yeah, we should probably cut that strap.
You think?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Alright, so which way are we going to rotate?
Okay, that's how that works. So we're going to go up and over, and I can do that if you want to guide the fiber, and then get that foam out of the way. Oh, it's not heavy at all.
Oh, it's not? Okay.
No, I think that.
Hope there wasn't any controllers in that foam, but apparently there was not. Hang on, hold on.
Should we go straight back or straight forward?
I don't want any one of us stepping over the crate, so...
Walk this way.
Yeah, I think we can go that way.
Okay, grab onto this and move it this way.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I have ample clearance. Okay. You can put your hand under the face and then your fingers into that groove.
Yeah. Okay, not too bad. The whole machine's probably only about 200 pounds. I'm just out of shape. Oh yeah. Well, that was the assembly process. The entire thing was less than 3 hours from the time that we cracked the top of the box to the time that we were marking our first part. And the only reason it took that long was because we were messing with all of the camera equipment, and we had a few little mishaps with that, and we had to reshoot a few things. So the assembly process is really easy. The bolts that you will need to mount any of your items are actually pre-installed in the hole, so all you have to do is back them out, place the part where it belongs, and spin the bolts back in. And that was the same with the tower, the screen mount, and screen. Everything was where it belonged. So that was very simple. The cables for the rotary, the foot pedal, as well as the power cord have little connectors that you plug into the back of the machine, and there's a little keeper nut that you spin on so that way it can't pop back out. And each one of these is unique. So this is a 2-prong, the rotary is a 4, and the cord is a different size and configuration. Then the rest of it was just a matter of fishing things like the mouse and the keyboard in and plugging it into the back of the computer.